What's up, everybody? I'm back, and it's your boy Chef Big Shake, and I'm here to give you guys 4 hacks on how to cook and make the best scrambled eggs you've ever tasted in your life. Now, if you wake up next to your boo thing, you guys had a long, hard night, you know what I'm saying? You want to give them something fluffy and flavorful, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get this done. We got some scrambled eggs, y'all, that's gonna blow your mind. That's what I'm talking about. So we got a simple recipe for you. We got some eggs. I got some milk, butter, and one of my secret hacks is my magic bullet. I'm gonna show you how we get this done. I got 2 eggs right here. First of all, let's get this butter. So butter, don't use margarine, don't use country crock, use straight up butter. It has more flavor, guys, and almost less fat. So I got this pan on medium. Let's turn it down to about medium low. The key with eggs, you want to cook them low and slow. You don't want to burn them up. You don't want them all crusty on the side. You want them nice and fluffy and yellow. You want them to look great. Here we go. Let's melt this butter down. Let's turn this way down. Here we go. Let's get this magic bullet. Now, second ingredient, my milk. Whole milk, y'all. Some people use buttermilk. I like to use some whole milk. We're gonna salt and pepper this stuff at the end, not right now. Right now, we're just gonna mix and blend. Now, this is gonna take about 15 to 20 seconds because you really wanna aerate these eggs. You want them to look like a milkshake, an egg milkshake. That's what we're trying to accomplish here. So here we go. Now I'm gonna shut up on this because it's a little loud. Okay, here we go. So look at those. Nice and fluffy. Looks like a milkshake in there. That's the consistency that you want it, all right? So I turned this pan down to low heat. Like I said, low and slow is the answer, guys. The butter is the key as well. The butter and these eggs. When I tell you something's gonna happen fluffy, something's gonna happen really fluffy, y'all. Let's hit it with some sea salt. A couple strokes, not too salty. Let's hit it with some black pepper. Look at those eggs. They're already coming together. Now, like I said, when some people cook eggs, they like to cook them fast. Now, listen, you can cook eggs in 10 seconds if you want. The pan is up high and burning. That's not going to be good to the palate. You want some nice fluffy eggs. See the foam? If you got a perfect foam on these eggs, then you know you're doing the right thing. If it's all flat and burnt up, then you know you're doing the wrong thing. And you want to season to taste, right? With my eggs, in the morning, I like to cook grits. I like a little turkey sausage, little turkey bacon, little chopped tomatoes. You know, cook up your eggs sometimes. Some people like plain eggs. I like a little cheddar cheese, white cheddar cheese. I like to surprise my wife on the daily. Matter of fact, that's how I got my wife a cooking for. 26 years, y'all, in the game to the best cook in America. That's what she'll tell you. So here we go. Already they're done. So that's about 45 seconds. Right on the plate. Let's hit it with a little parsley, make it look beautiful for your guest or your boo thing. Look at that. The perfect scrambled egg, y'all. The perfect scrambled egg. Let's give this a taste. So my first hack was the butter. Nice, good, creamy butter. The second hack was my milk. Beautiful whole milk. Or buttermilk, it's up to your choice. So for 2 eggs, I had about a half a cup of milk in there. Then we got our golden magic bullet. That bad boy does a lot of things for me great, I'm gonna tell y'all. And guess what? The last hack is patience. That's the hardest thing I've been able to learn in all my life. I still can't master patience. It's hard for me, y'all. I'm gonna taste these eggs. This is good as always, y'all. I'm out. Y'all be safe. Peace.